In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of when your iPhone is not ringing. So let's just dive straight into the video. Now, the first thing I recommend you to check is just to ensure that your phone isn't set to silent. Now, on the left-hand side of your phone, there's a little toggle switch here. So if that's set to orange, that means your phone is on silent. So all you have to do to kind of make it on loud is toggle up towards the screen. Now, the next thing I recommend you to try if that's still not working is to go into settings. From here, go to sounds and haptics. Now right here, we have a separate kind of control for ringtones and alerts. So this is actually a separate control from the buttons on the side. So as you can see, this is set to loud. However, my ringtone and alert is set to low. So if I want to increase the volume of my ringtone, all I have to do is slide this up. And there you have it. Now, if that's still not working, the last thing I recommend you to do is to slide down from the top right-hand corner of your phone. And then you just want to ensure that you do not have airplane mode on or do not disturb any of these. So if that's turned on, you will not get any incoming calls and your phone will not ring. Now, if those things still do not work, there's one last thing I do recommend you to try, and that's to force restart your iPhone. Now, you can do this by pressing on the volume up, down, and then pressing and holding onto the power button. So I'll just go and do that now really quickly. So volume up, down, and then press and hold. And if I keep on pressing and holding for around 20 seconds, I'll see the Apple logo and then the iPhone will restart and you will save all of your information and data. Everything will be as it was. So there you have it, guys. 4 kind of different tricks and tips you can use to get your iPhone ringing again. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.